Welcome. I am Dr. Vijayan, FMHS, SRM, IDST, Trichy. Today discuss about mushroom. So mushroom is a potential source of active metabolites and medicines. The fungus is the Latin word, the meaning of mushroom. And usually meaning of word has been expanded to include thallus, like non-green plants, and such as mold, yeast, and other similar organisms related to mushroom. The fungus are a large group of simple thallus-like plants which lack of chlorophyll. Is a chlorophyll one of the pigmentation? Example: chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotenoid, xanthophyll. So different pigmentations. The older botanist, the fungus, wide sense of including bacteria, and some of the bacteria, slime molds, as well as true fungi, the name of eumycetes. In a narrow sense, fungi includes only a eumycetes is a true fungus, a true fungi. Hence, the fungi are defined non-green, nucleated thallophytes. Family true fungi like eumycetes are yeast, mold, morels, toadstools, mushroom, polyporous, puffballs, rust, smuts. All the number of fungus, the worldwide 50,000 to 1 lakh species are distributed in the world. The fungi deal with called mycology. Myx mean mushroom, logy means the study of. And mycology studied mushroom, the deal with some of the scientists called mycologists. And different studied like structure, reproduction, physiology, and taxonomy of fungus. And the fungi grow diverse habitats, almost every available habits, and the organic material, the living dead and presence. The universal distribution, the great many of terrestrial bodies, some of the soil are dead organic matters, decaying organics. Terrestrial fungi thrive best humus soils. They are considered more non-motile producing cells dispersed passively by animals, wind, water, and animal. Some fungus is attract like living organism, live in tissue or the plants and animals. Some of the fungi are aquatic. The aquatic are considered as a primitive, live on decaying organic matters and living organism found in fresh water and produce flagellated, example motile, and reproduce cells swim to new locations. Many fungi grow on our foodstuffs such as bread, jam, pickle, fruits, and vegetables. Some fungi are found in drinking waters, and fungi are contaminated. Both food and drinking water are presented all the times in the air we breathe. The majority of prefer to grow in darkness and dim light in moist habitats. Fungi, the habitat are lives. The fungi are planted are very varied habitat, like a lack of chlorophyll, like animals are unable to manufacture their own food from carbon dioxide and waters, is a mode of nutrients. The fungi is different from all green plants. They obtain food ready made from extreme source. Example, another dead organic matters. All the fungi are heterotrophs, cannot produce own food. The mode of nutrients, they are heterotrophic, cannot ingest solid food but absorb it directly through cell membrane, either by living saprophytes or parasites. And mode of nutrients is the fungi are classified into two categories. One is saprophytes and another one is parasites. Saprophytes to grow dead organic matters, abundant substratums, the mode of life called saprophytic. or saprof. The parasite live in all living bodies of organism, the plant or animals, the obtained from the food. The mode of is called parasite. Example, parasitic fungus, rust and muds. The organism like the feed is called host or suscept. The parasite may be cause abnormal condition, the host called disease. And parasites, the fungi are harmful organism. The thallus or parasite fungi may be grow external surface, the host but usually hidden from view. The former is called ectoparasite or vein modes. And later endoparasite, Pythium D badianum, example Astroloca or rust. Another endophytic parasite, unseen but vitally active thallus growing in the thallus of the host. And same distinction between the parasite and saprophytes. Among the three degree of parasites, one is obligate parasite, facultative parasite, facultative saprophytes. So three major suitable living hosts to balance the destructive parasite or balanced parasite. The fungus is strictly saprophyte or called obligate saprophytes. They are incapable of infected plant and animals. This is a common example, obligate parasite or mucor, the field of toadstools, and most of the species are penicillium. The first is the penicillium discovered by Alexander Fleming in the 1928. The time of potential antibiotics were discovered and potential for various fungi to synthesize biologically active molecules, the useful in various clinical therapeutics, has been under research for Alexander Fleming. Nowadays, the pharmacological research identify antifungal, antiviral and antiprotozoan components from fungi source. Some of the key finding for mushroom. Medicinal mushroom possess various biological activities like antioxidant, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, anti-tumor, antiviral, anti-parasitic, anti-hepatoproductive, anti-HIV, anti-diabetic, anti-microassays. Some of the medical mushroom. Medical mushroom is an addition to being a rich source of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and fiber. Medicinal mushroom have numerous documented healthy benefits. Example, dates, powders, capsules, mushrooms have numerous documented health benefits. And few example, Sitak, Rizzi, Chaka, lion's mane, Maidac, Turkitile, Cordyceps. And Syntac, a cardiovascular health, antioxidant support, gut health. Rizzi, antioxidant supports longevity, immunity. Chaga is a respiratory health, antioxidant support, liver or liver detoxifications. Maidac, blood sugar regulations, cardiovascular health and immunity. Turkitile, gut and microbiomes health, immunity, liver detoxifications. Cordyceps, cardiovascular health, energy and stamina, longevities. So different medicinal mushrooms, the benefit to the human beings. And some of the role of medicine to help cure disease caused pathogenic microorganism from the fungus. And antibiotics to refer denote organic substance to produce microorganisms, growing certain microorganism, the most important antibiotic producing. Example, molds, actinomyces or bacteria. The evil, effective or pathogenic bacteria and virus, the use of antibiotics is not limited to the disease treatments. Certain antibiotics, small amount to the feed on slaughter animals, that promotes the rapid growth and improve the quality of the meat products. The application of antibiotic to the source of freshly killed poultry preserve the fresh killed taste during the long period of refrigerators. And newly discovered the antibiotics like Alexander Fleming, 1929, the great antibiotic drug penicillin from the obtained the Penicillium notatum organism. And it was far more effective than ordinary drugs or germicides. No adverse effect of human protoplasm but kill the bacteria, especially gram positive types. Some of the explore the use of the medicinal mushroom. The human being have cultivated and consumed the mushroom as a kind of macrofungi for centuries due to the attractive characters such as their easy of cultivation and their multiple function of activities. The medicinal use of mushroom, the 1,000 years back, the variety and unique adaptive benefits for human health. In recent times, with the functional medicine and holistic nutrition going, medicines are mainstream for the interesting of marvelous superfood. The few things you should know before running is the local supplement food. And the benefit of medicinal mushrooms. The mushroom provide immune supports full of antioxidants, support a healthy inflammation response, help to balance blood sugar, support the brain health and cognitions, support of nervous systems, increasing energy and stamina. And some of the fungus, example, the macrofungi are economically essential because the importance of medicine, biocontrol, food and biological, chemical and other industries. These macrofungi differ in their use of medicine and food, several other specific formats. And some of the special character is warm, vascular, avascular, mycorrhizal association for the decomposers. And mainly the mushrooms are associated with, they indicate that lion mane mushroom is an amazing helper for healthy brain functions and may even support neurogenesis also. And some mushrooms, the beautiful in appearance, it is longer, the cascading state is spiny, resembling a waterfall, lion's mane growing on trunks of hardwood trees in the forest areas. In ancient days, the traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, the name of lion mane, the monkey head mushroom, the Chinese medicine practitioners use this mushroom for spleen and associated with the digestive energy and water regulations. Traditional Chinese medicines also used this medicine mushroom as a tonic for stress related disorders. Example, neurasthenia, and for lack of energy, Q deficiency. And another, Japanese also used, and Australians are used for medicinal foods, and mushroom become the well established, the candidate promoting cognitive functions. The fungi that belong to the several taxonomic groups which produce conspicuous sporocarp are called macrofungi. These includes daffodils, gill fungi, string fungi, jelly fungi, bird's nest, coral fungi, puffballs and bracket fungus. Some mushroom, the polysaccharide in resin mushrooms are associated with the immune functions, and if taken over the time of, they significantly support the immune system. It can also support restful sleep and calm minds, reduce occasional stress, restlessness, can support lung and respiratory health and support balanced blood sugar level also. The mushroom live as saprophytes, the decomposition process all the type of mushroom are essential due to the ability to degrade cellulose as well as the other polymers. The large fungi form the large fortifications that can be visible without the help of microscope. The easily to visible ascomyces as basidiomyces for large spore bearing fungus. And other some other special case for the support numerous body habitats. The mushroom immortality is a high esteemed. The list of most superior herbs as considered as a support long life, support healthy aging, boost the making body light also. And these are 6 different color of resi reference and historical literatures, the own unique benefits. And identify the purify of resi produce dark in colors, better taste, both characteristics are true resis. And some of the caterpillar fungus, the mainly Corichus is a good mushroom, the supplement to the take exercise and physical performance. And 2 well controlled clinical studies have found the improved exercise performance and healthy older individuals. Preliminary research in human and animals also, and test tube also indicate that the support healthy level for inflammation and the immune markers. Some of the hormonal regulatory properties. So, in research study to increase the improve immunological supports and kidney health certain populations, right? And already told the old Chinese medicine book, Tibetan medicine describe cordyceps and the 100 of different species and parasitic fungi that prey on insects. Traditional healers use for fungus as powerful tonic to improve energy, appetites, stamina, endurance. And some of the chronic stress is also the medicinal mushroom, most stimulating, warming and powerful traditional content also recorded. Some of the fungus is affinity to the kidney and lungs, the meaning its support of these organs is most powerful treated as a fungus. Some of the mushrooms are rich essential nutrient, have rich nutrient value with high content dietary of fibers, significant content of vitamins B1, B12, B2, C, D and E. Mineral substance, trace elements, a highly quality of proteins, including important content, the essential amino acids. They may have be limited in the cysteine, methionine, and sulfur containing amino acid, carbohydrate, and fat. But to the extent excellent important the fatty acid content, low or no calories and cholesterol also for the recorders of mushroom components. And the wild harvest of mushrooms supplemented the laboratory for active components beta D glucans. Some of the most highly researchers natural compound for immune system supports. So, some ensuring the components and highly concentrated benefits for quality of mushrooms is obtained from fungal areas. And some of the immune cells like T cells, they use alone or in combination with synergetic herb. Darketile is a safe mushroom to use long term within the context the proper medicinal treatments. Highly the protein bound polysaccharides. And another mushrooms, example, real mushroom, the darketile supplements, certified organism are guaranteed to the nitrogen added starch, mycelium or grain of any kinds of pure mushroom, the fruit bodies. So they receive the wonderful medicine properties, the taking off to 1 teaspoon per day, the 2 grams is the most benefits. And another mushroom is Syntec mushroom, is a greater for immunity and liver health, the support the cardiovascular system. Example, Lentinan is a polysaccharide syntac mushroom has shown the great promising the mushroom system booster agent. The research has also discovered a component of syntac erythranine that are help maintain the cholesterol. The already within the health of range, the mushroom are great to cook with and loaded with vitamin B. They helping to modulate the blood sugar level in the body of support a healthy inflammation response. Different mushroom species are rich in ash 7 to 17%, fiber 16 to 20%, protein 30 to 48%, fat 1 to 4%, and carbohydrate 25 to 40%. The mushroom also have bioactive nutraceutic such as polysaccharide, lectins, phenolic components, glycoproteins, ergosterols, and saturated fatty acids, and tocophenols. And some mushrooms also contain the four influential nutrients like ergothioneine, glutathione, vitamin D, selenium, which is how the alleviations are attention to the properties. And some variety of bioactive components found in cultured broth, mycelium, and fruiting bodies such as volatile oils, flavonoids, alkaloids, ascorbic or organic acid, fat, polysaccharides. Some minerals, protein, carbonoids, or terpenoids, lectins, enzyme, phenolic, and folates are present. Some mushrooms also have highly percentage of water, 93 to 95%, also containing valuable minerals like copper, phosphorus, iron, potassium, and calcium. And high protein, low calorie value for the recommended to heart patients, and the essential amino acids are required to the adult to childhood. Some medicinal fungus with the many healthy benefits, example, cognitive health, immune health, gut health, heart health. And 1000 years already told the China traditional medicine properties are reported in Compendium of Materia Medica and Sen Non Compendium Medica. And currently in China in 1987, the Japanese 1977, they extracted from approved in routine clinical practice, especially the integrated cancer therapy in conjunction with chemotherapy or radiotherapy also they used mushroom. And complementary alternative medicine, CAM, complementary integrated medicine, they are most commonly used for all integrative, complementary and alternative therapies, especially in the field of oncology, like cancer. It is especially the case of Asian countries. Mycotherapy has ancient and deep-rooted origins. It is a Western applicable for mushroom, the medicinal therapy. And effective some fungus metabolites are extracted for the effective in vitro test and preclinical research. Therefore, the potential medicinal interests have also been evaluated, the in vivo in human subject in clinical trials. Extract of Agaricus balasii, the known have the anti-mutagenic and anti-tumor properties, was used in randomized clinical trial RCT. The 100 to 1000 patients suffer from the various gynecological cancer, example cervical, ovarian, and endometrial, and receiving the chemotherapy. The making improve for the parameters, anxiety and depression, and stability also. And some mushroom supplements throughout the supply chains from the cultivator to extracted and preparation of commercial formations, as well as the precise monitoring for regulating, ensure high quality mushrooms. This is the plates are showed the different fungal organism preserved to the petri plates and the high quality preparations. The once again I will repeat for fungus. Fungus is highly medicinal value, is a dietetic purpose and some cardiovascular disease, and 10 different micro fungus is the most benefits to the human population, animal population, and associated with the lichens and zero pollutant areas. Thank you.